Today we're going to talk about how to get the best results to boil perfect eggs. I'm going to give you some really simple tips. Number one, put the eggs in the pan first. So don't crowd the pan with the eggs, and then on top of it you pour regular tap water, just a little bit to cover the eggs, just perfectly like that. Why do I put it in cold water? Two reasons. Number one is it evenly cooks, and number two, it prevents the eggs from cracking. The mistake people make is put eggs into boiling water, and that's when it cracks. I saw my mom put some salt in the water while boiling the eggs, and that is for one reason only: in case the eggs crack, the white doesn't leach out, it stays intact. So if you want to, you can put some salt. It's your choice. I just brought the water to a boil now, and I'm going to switch off the gas. Now I will let the eggs sit in hot water. I've put off the gas. It's sitting in hot water for about 6 minutes. Normal tendency is to keep the eggs boiling for 5-6 minutes on high gas, thinking that it will boil faster. Have you ever eaten like the yolk green with a sulphur smell, like rubbery white and dry yolk? That's overcooked eggs, and they're not tasty. Now when you cook it like this, they cook right well through and through, and they are very tasty to eat. My family likes it a little hard boiled, right? But if you like it soft boiled or medium, you can put it for 5 minutes, or if you want it harder, if you want it more boiled more, you can put it for 9 minutes or 8 minutes. It's up to you. There you go, 6 minutes up. I've dumped these eggs in cold water, and the reason it's easier to peel when it's dunked in cold water. Now the egg inside contracts and gets away from the shell, and so it's really easy to peel. These eggs have stayed in this cold ice water for like a minute, and let's see how easy this is to peel. How these eggs turned out. Ooh, perfectly boiled, yellow. This is how they should look. Nicely soft from the outside, the white, and bright yellow. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.